For many artists who want to get started or get back into their painting, the hardest part of the process is actually starting. Develop a habit of some sort that involves getting moving in the early part of the day if possible. For me, it's become the daily walk. Going on a walk in the morning has transformed my process. I used to start painting in the mornings after the walk, but I found that I was still not ready for it. I needed more time to just get going. So the morning has become devoted to other tasks, getting painting panels gessoed, answering emails, doing administrative stuff, get that over with as quickly as possible, and then do preparation work in the studio. From cleaning brushes to, as I said, preparing panels or canvases, toning them, giving them a chance to dry, maybe start painting by midday. The point of all of that is, I discovered, is simply to get moving. Getting started with some activity, even boring ones, is very important because it takes procrastination off your table. When you have an opportunity to procrastinate, it's very easy to get distracted and to do things that are not very energizing. Before you know it, you've spent the day doing stuff that has kept you from painting. So by getting moving with a walk and then get into administrative work or tasks around the studio, cleaning brushes being a favorite for me, I can then get into painting with a clear conscience. But I also want to, because I've made a start and have got myself moving, and moving creates energy, and that gets you into painting. So that's it. A very sort of loose process that has turned into a habit and has helped me to start working quite regularly on my painting, which I do, as I said, in the afternoons. Maybe in summer there's time for a siesta, always helps as well. And then work right through into the early evening where the light is nice and warm, and you just have that motivation. So whatever works, try it, but all I can suggest is get moving as early as possible in the day, make a start, and get into the habit as soon as possible, and you won't regret it. Wish you good luck and many paintings this year.